How to install the gutter trim. Align the top of the gutter trim approximately 5 mm below the top of the batten and fix in place with the plain fixings. At the gutter edge, pull the membrane taut and install top gutter trim with the color-coded fixings supplied. Neatly fold the rubber at the corner where the edge trim meets the gutter trim. Starting at the gutter edge, apply downward pressure to the edge trims and secure with the color-coded fixings. Leave a 5 mm gap between adjoining trims to allow for expansion and contraction. Break off tabs as required on the edge trim corners to seal the edge trim to the gutter trim. Trim off the excess rubber and secure joiner with fixings or mastic.